Hello everyone, welcome guys, welcome. Hope everyone had a great trading day today. Welcome guys, welcome. Another good day in the markets, all right? So good trading in the markets. Let's go over. So the Dow was up guys, S&P was up, NASDAQ was up. Good buy signals. We are breaking through resistance. I want to show you guys here. All right, so we are breaking through that resistance on the S&P right here. All right, so breaking through that resistance on the S&P right here. That's really good price action, guys. Another big update. NASDAQ was up over 400 points. Here, NASDAQ breaking resistance here. Dow, right here. IWM, the Russell, right here. So not bad, guys. Not bad price action. The VIX is 1676, and good buying here on the indexes. The tech sector, let's take a look here. Tech sector still moving higher here. All right, breaking up. Again, tech is the number one sector. Tech is the number one sector. On the weekly buys, on the weekly time frame, we do have a buy signal here in tech. All right, so really, really good price action, guys. Really, really good. And we are breaking through, right, these all-time highs territory. Okay, in the futures market, Dow futures currently up. Dow E-mini, Russell's currently up. Dollar is down. Okay, we are breaking through a big support here on the weekly time frame. On the dollar right here, we're breaking through here on the dollar, so keep that in mind. The VIX again 1676 keeps coming lower. We need this monthly candle right here to turn red, guys. Okay, but good price action. And let's take a look at the Max 7s here. The number one, guys. The NVIDIA broke through resistance. All right, so this is the NVIDIA is the number one. Hear me now. The number one Max 7 stocks that's breaking out. Okay, so nice break here of resistance. Really doing well. The Dow on the daily time frame, right, broke through that resistance here, near-term resistance. It is a ways from the all-time highs. All right, but doing well. Dow weekly looks good. Dow monthly looks good. All right, S&P, right, breaking through that resistance here. Good price action on the daily, weekly, and monthly here on the S&P. All right, so indexes are looking really, really good, really, really strong. NASDAQ, guys, breaking resistance here. Look at the NASDAQ. All right, nice V-shaped recovery. Buy signal here. Breaking out here on the daily, on the weekly, breaking out also. Okay, on the monthly, breaking out, and then the Russell, nice move higher also on the Russell. All right, so daily, monthly, weekly, monthly on the Russell, and Bitcoin is holding at right at 107 and change, guys. All right, remember we got a sell signal on Bitcoin. It's recovering nicely, but we need to get past resistance here. All right, so resistance is here. We got to get past resistance before we get another buy signal. All right, on the daily time frame. So we want to wait. All right, so we want to wait first to get a buy signal on the daily before we call another buy signal in Bitcoin. Okay, but we did have a sell signal. Green candles are coming in. That's good for Bitcoin, but we got to break through resistance and get a buy signal by our system before we can call another buy signal. All right, on the weekly time frame here, we do have a buy signal here. Nice recovery on the weekly. Same thing here, looking to break through that resistance. We do have a purple support and resistance here, so just keep that in mind. Gold, all right, gold is holding nicely, guys. The buy signal on the weekly time frame in gold came in at 23.87. trading at 33.51. A bit of recovery, but still holding its nice upward trend line. And then silver finally broke resistance a few weeks ago and is holding near the highs there on silver. So gold, silver continuing to do really well. Crude oil, right, retraced back, right, from what was that, 70, 77, 78, and is now back within support and resistance. So we were hoping, right, we would break through that resistance, stay above resistance, and start trending higher, but we are back within support and resistance. So we're gonna have to hold off on bringing out our energy systems. Okay, bonds is moving higher. It keeps moving higher, guys. We got green candles here on bonds. All right, the TLT. We need a buy signal. This is encouraging for bonds, right, which will help interest rates. That will, you guys, if you notice, rates have been coming down a bit. All right, but we do need a buy signal to really start targeting resistance up here. Okay, so at least we've got some rain candles. We are off support, so we are no longer in the support area down here. Green candles, we are moving higher. Very encouraging. All right, the dollar, guys, is breaking down a bit at 97. We talked about the dollar. Just be aware on the weekly time frame, right here. On the weekly time frame, we are breaking down further. Okay, and then on the monthly time frame, look at the dollar coming in here strong. So be aware of that. Keep an eye on dollar shorts opportunities. Okay, pound yen, guys, pound yen is breaking out. All right, finally breaking out in pound yen right here. We'll look for trades in the morning as when we go live. All right, in pound yen, guys. Nice move here in pound yen. Good price action. We're looking to break through resistance here. Hopefully we start trending again. That will help the Forex market. All right, on the weekly time frame, we are breaking out. Monthly time frame, we are breaking out here. All right, let's take a look at current positions. All right, we don't have any longs on the 60. No shorts. You guys can look if you want. Take a look at dollar shorts. Okay, dollar shorts. But just be careful. Be careful with shorts. But we have current positions on the 240 in Monster Scalper. All right, EURTRY, that's still holding. Buy signal here, still holding. Good trading going here, guys. EURTRY. Swiss yen, buy signal here, still holding. Pound yen, buy signal here, still holding nicely there. SGD, JPY, buy signal here, that's holding. ZAR yen, right? ZAR yen buy signal here, holding right here. And then Euro pairs, Euro Aussie, buy signal here, that's holding. Okay, let's do this. And we're getting more volatility in Forex, so that is good. All right, nice markup phase there. EuroCAD. All right, EuroCAD, buy signal here, moving up nicely here, guys. Look at that, good trade here in EuroCAD. EURHKD, buy signal here, trading up nicely here. All righty. EURHKD, EURNOK, good trade going here. EURNOK, guys, buy signal here. So we've got some good trades going. Resistance for EURNOK. So Forex is starting to move nicely here, finally, right? And EURSGD, buy signal here. We are breaking out right here. And euro dollar, buy signal here. We are breaking out. So great trades going. All right, we will look for opportunities, new opportunities on Sunday all right, in Forex and Monster Scalper. So it's just good to see Forex moving again. Okay. Our current positions in Stock Boss, let's take a look. All right. Those should hold up really well. We'll start with Stock Boss on the daily time frame, small cap stocks here. And we know the Russell is doing well. S&P, NASDAQ, they're all doing well. Okay. So right now, if we get white candles, guys, we're going to hold the trade. We want green candles, right? Symbols will be here. Green candles, white candles will hold. White arrow, red candle will call a sell signal. Okay? We'll go through this quickly here. All right. Nice move here. All green candles. It's what we want to see. Good price action here. White candles, now that price is bouncing, we're breaking resistance here. We're all-time highs. We'll hold white candles. Okay, so we'll hold this. It's up to you. If you want to close on a white candle, you can certainly do that. We'll hold those for now. But definitely we get a red candle in Stock Boss. We'll close those, okay? We're getting into July, so we'll pay close attention to a blow off top. Okay, as we break through resistance, guys, we might get one more push higher. All right, before we see some selling come in. Okay, we breaking through resistance July, but you remember August, summer months are tough. So August, September could be really tough. All right, even July, right? So we are making all-time highs at the wrong time here, but we'll continue to follow that price action, trade it. But just know that we could get one more move higher, and we can certainly get some selling come in. There's no evidence of that, all right? No evidence of sellers coming in yet. Okay, so that's not a concern yet, but just be aware as we move into July, right? Perhaps middle, we'll see middle, end of July, depending on how high we move. All right, we could see we're not oversold on the indexes at all, right? So we're not oversold yet, but just be aware as we get into July, we start looking at August, September. We'll be watching for sellers closely. Okay, we might even move that time frame on these indexes to a 240 if we see price slowing to get an early signal to exit. Okay, but we'll be all over it. All right, same thing here, Bull Master. We have a white candle here. This white candle, guys, we're going to close. Okay, so we have good resistance here, a buy signal here. We've made it all the way through that buy signal with a white candle here. All right, we're now trading below resistance. Doesn't make sense to continue to hold, so we'll close this here. All right, that trade is definitely over for now. However, if you want to hold on, it's up to you guys, right? Just be careful. All right, all green candles is what we want to see. This is Bull Master. This is large cap stocks. All right, large cap stocks. All right. All green candles here. All right, MLM, red candle here. Let's close the trade, okay? Red candle here. Let's close that trade. But overall, really good price action, okay? White candle here, we'll hold that. White candle here, hold that. Keep an eye on it though. Remember, all right, these white candles, those are warnings. Good price action. And with another big update today, prices are holding well. FLEX, look at that, breaking out nicely here. Lots of these stocks. Robinhood breaking out here. So we've only had to close how many? One or two so far. All right, good breakout here. So large caps are doing really well. Good price action. Really good. All right. Missed one here. FROG, red candle here. Let's close that, okay? All righty. Good price action. Good trading here. Bull Master. These are all your large cap stocks. We've had some issues with data, so some of these guys might see the data delayed a little bit, okay, but they should be fine. Stock Boss, let's take a look at Stock Boss. The US 30 and NAS, we'll look at those in the morning when we go live. We'll go live at 8 a.m., guys, 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. In the morning. So hopefully you guys can join us as we go live. We had some great trades last week. All right, so we'll see if we can have some more great opportunities next week. All right, Stock Boss, guys. Good opportunity in Stock Boss. Our Stock Boss traders, you guys want to run your heat seeker throughout the day. All right, at least once a day when the market closes. If you want to run it throughout the day, you can certainly do that. We are finding more opportunities. Okay, so make sure you run your heat seeker for Stock Boss and Bull Master. All right, so Stock Boss and Bull Master. Let's take a look. See if we can find some opportunities here. Let's look for new buy signals that came in here. Most of these we've already called. All right, so let's call GPMT in Stock Boss. GPMT. All right, AVXL in Stock Boss. Buyers here on the weekly. Green candles here on the weekly. Buy signal right here. Good price action. Red candle still there on the weekly. We'll pass on that. Most of these we're already in. PRME. I think when we saw this the last time, we had buy signal on the daily. We had a red candle. Now we've got white candle there. Okay. GDRX in Stock Boss. Our Bull Master, our Monster Scalper traders will look for opportunities on Sunday. The Euro pairs and some of the Yen pairs still long. All right. CCLD in Stock Boss. And let's go through Bull Master. All right. All right. BWIN. Nice break here, guys. Broke resistance buy signal here. BWIN in Bull Master. And we'll send these out. And we're not going long this evening. We've had some data issues, so we don't want to go long. See here, see data not connected here, so we'll end with Bull Master here, and then we'll be done. And then we'll resume tomorrow when we go live, okay? All right, RDDT in Bull Master. So here we no data here. Where is it? Right here. So we'll have that fixed tomorrow. All right, DKNG in Bull Master. MXL in Bull Master. Now, if we've called this already, all right, don't worry about it. It's still okay to enter. If you're not trading with our trading systems, don't take these trades, okay, guys? Use those trades for educational purposes only, all right? SMTC in Bull Master. Because you need a way to manage the trade once you get in, all right? AMD still looks good. That's Robinhood right there. AAOI in Bull Master. These are all large cap stocks, guys. Over $10 there. All right. Good price action here. All right. So we'll end here. We'll have the data issue fixed by tomorrow when we go live. All right. So the good news is equities are moving higher. They continue to move higher. We're breaking new all-time highs. That's the number one trade. Forex is moving. That's good news. All right. So I will see everyone tomorrow when we go live. If you're not part of our SKOOL community, you guys might want to join, right? So you can get involved. We'll go live tomorrow, 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. Eastern time. Join me as we go live in the markets. Okay. Thanks, guys. Thanks for coming. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.